Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you a guide on how to enable Bluetooth for any Windows 10 device. I'll also be showing you how to add, remove, or toggle off Bluetooth devices entirely. If you would like to see more tutorials regarding Windows or any specific applications, be sure to click the subscribe button and leave a like as it would help out the channel a ton. To get things started, you're going to want to go ahead and navigate to the lower right of your Windows taskbar and click the navigation button. Depending whether or not your device supports Bluetooth, you're going to want to identify the Bluetooth icon and left click it to ensure it's enabled in the first place. Once your Bluetooth has been enabled, go ahead and type in your Windows search bar, Settings. Once in the Settings application, navigate to the device menu. Here you will see a variety of options including the Bluetooth toggle button, the pairing button, and the different types of devices your device has detected. If you're looking to pair a new device, click the Add Bluetooth or Other Device option. If you're confident your device you're trying to pair is in Bluetooth, click the Bluetooth icon once more. Make sure that whatever device you're trying to pair is in its pairing mode while your Windows 10 computer is searching for it. Once your device has been identified, click on it and wait for the two to pair. Once paired, press the Done button and you will see that your device has been successfully paired and listed under one of the Bluetooth categories. Click your device that you have successfully paired and you will see the two options to connect or to remove device. If you wish to remove your device, go ahead and click the button labeled so. If you wish to connect your device, go ahead and click Connect and your device will be connected with no problem. If you wish to turn off Bluetooth entirely, simply click the toggle button at the top of the Bluetooth settings page. That's all for today's tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one.